Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, we are starting with maths class first sample number paper number 4. Let's begin. Our first question is in a number pattern 4, 7, 10, 13, what would be the next number? So now see, we have to first check what is the number pattern. 4, then skip is 5 and 6 and then 7. Then 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12 and 13. So now what would be our next number we have to find? So after 12, this is 13. So we have to skip 14, 15 and then what would be the answer? 16. So correct answer is 16. Now where it is, in which option? Let's see. Option A is 15, option B is 16, option C is 17, and option D is 18. So 16, option B is the correct answer. Second question. How many tens are there in the number 230? Now, do you know what is tens? See, this 0 is units place, this 3 is tens place, and this 2 is hundreds place. Okay, so we have to see this tens place, that is 3. Where is 3 in this 230 number? So we have to not see actually the 3 place, third place of the 3. We have to see how many tens are there in the number. So there are 2 tens because 200 plus 30. So this is 2 tens. So the answer is I'll explain this question again. Question number 2. How many tens are there in number 230? In 230, 0 is units place, 3 is tens place, and 2 is hundred place. Now they are asking how many tens are there. So when we multiply 23 by 10, then we get 230. So how many tens are there? 23 tens are there. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 3. What is the sum of the first 4 odd numbers? First 4 odd numbers. What are the first 4 odd numbers? 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now we have to add all 4. So let's add it and we'll use some shortcut to this, like 7 plus 3 is 10 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. So our correct answer is option B. Fourth question. I have 7 more candies than my friend who has 14 candies. How many candies do I have? I have 7 more than my friend and friend has 14 candies. Okay, so I will have 7 more than that, means we have to add it, and so it is 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 1 here and 1 over here. So 1 plus 1, 2. So we have that I have 21 candies. So option B is the correct answer. Fifth question. What number is shown on abacus? So on tens rod it is 1 and on units rod it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 1, 8, 18. So the correct answer is option B, 18. Sixth question. If you have 46 toys and receive 29 more as gift, how many toys do you have in total? Total means to add it. So 46 plus 29. Let's add it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 over here, 1 over here. So 4 plus 1, 5, 6 and 7. So 75 gifts we have in total. So 75 is option D. So it is correct. D option is correct. Seventh one, find the total when you add 33, 44 and 12. When we add 33, 44 and 12, we have to find the answer. So now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 and again 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's 89. Now where the options are 78, 88, 89 and 91. So C is the correct answer for question number 7. 8. How many apples are there in total? Total, we have to add it. So first we'll count how many of them are in first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 over here and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have to add 9 plus 8. And what it is? 8 and 9, 16 and one more 17. So 17 is the correct answer and it is at D option. Ninth one. How many peaches are there in total if you give one to your friend? Okay. Now first we have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first of all 6 plus 5 is 11. And we have to give one to our friend. Okay. So it is 10. Isn't it? So the correct answer is 10 and it is at option number D. 10th one. If you have 22 books and buy 34 more, how many do you have now? So 22 plus 34. What it is? 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 and 3 plus 2, 5. So we have 56 books and this is option number C. So C is the correct answer. Question number 11. If a number less 15 is 35, what is the number? If a number is less 15 is 35. So it is like if a number is less 15 and then it is 35. So what the number is? This is the equation. Now again to find x, we will just shift this number from this side to over here. So it will be, we will change the sign also because when you transfer number from one side to another side, the sign changes. And so since it is here minus, so it will be plus over here. So x equals to 5 and 5, 10. 1 over here, 3 plus 1, 4 and 5. 50. 50 is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. 12th. Observe the figure and answer how many objects are left. So only we have to count the objects which are left, not the crossed one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 objects are left. So where is the 5 answer? Over here. Option B is the correct answer. 13th question. There are 28 kids in a park. Later, 12 leave. How many are still in the park? So there are 28 kids in the park and 12 left. So we have to count how many are remaining. So we'll subtract it. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So 16 kids are there still in the park. So option C is the correct answer. 14. What number comes next in the pattern 60, 55, 50, dash and 40? So we have to see the pattern, how it is going on. Like 60 and then 55. So it's less 5. And then after 55, it's 50. Means again minus 5. So now here after 55, what will come? 45. Isn't it? We have to subtract 5. And from 45 minus 5, then it comes 40. So this is our answer is correct. Now let's see where it is. Here it is. Option A is 45. Next, how many bananas are there in total? Now we have to count the bananas in total. So let's count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to pay attention also on this thing that it is subtraction or addition. Now they have given us to minus it, and then we have to find the total of it. Means we have to see the actual answer. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So our correct answer is 2 and it is at option number A. So answer to the 15th one is A. Next, how many meters are there in 2500 centimeters? Now we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, isn't it? So what we'll do, we have to count now in 2500, like here I will write 2500 centimeter. How many meters will come? So we have to see this, and therefore it will be 2500 into divided by 100. This 0 and this 0 cancelled, so it is 25 centimeters. So this is option A, correct one. 17th, if 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, how many meters are in 400 centimeters? See, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 400 centimeter is equals to how much? So again 400 divided by 100 and it will be 4 centimeter. Sorry, 4 meter. The answer is 4 meter over here. Option A is the correct answer. Question 18th. How many milliliters are in 2 liters? 1 liter is equals to 1000. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now we are asked 2 liter is equals to how much milliliter. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 1000 into 2. And this is answer is 2000 milliliters. So option C is the correct answer. 19th. A pencil weighs 12 grams and an eraser weighs 8 grams. What is the total weight of 3 pencils and 2 erasers? 3 pencils. So first we have to calculate how much is the weight of 3 pencils. And then also 2 erasers. So 2 into 8. So 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, and 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16. And now we can find out what is the total weight. Okay. So we'll just add it. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 over here. 3 plus 1, 4, and plus 1, 5. So 52 grams is the weight. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Next question 20. Prefer the image. What shape is the roof of the house? Now roof of the house. So roof of the house is like this. That means it is what it is? It is triangle. Option A. 21st question. What is the time interval between 3:15 p.m. and 4 p.m.? So we have to now count it from 3:15 p.m. to 4 p.m. So see, we just have to subtract 60 minus 15 because it's 3 and it's 4. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and we have to minus this 15 from this. So it is 5 and 1 here. So it's 45. So what is the difference between 3:15 and 4 p.m.? It's 45 minutes difference. Okay. And our options are 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 35 minutes, and 55 minutes. So this one is matching to our answer. And so option B is the correct answer. 22. Which of these events happens in the evening? Breakfast? No. Waking up? Not at all. Doing brush? No. Playing after school? Yes. Because when we are off from school, after that we play. So that's why option B, 22, is the correct answer. 23rd. If it is 10:45 a.m. and you need to leave in 15 minutes, what time will you leave? Now it's 10:45 and we have to leave like in 15 minutes. So we will add 15 over here. It will be 10, 1 over here and 4, 5, 6. So 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. That means it is 10 over here. So we will add 1 hour over here and that will be 11. So our correct answer has to be 11 a.m. and this is over here. So option A is the correct answer. What time is shown on the clock? Now see, this is our hour hand and our hand is on 10 and minute hand, this minute hand is on 2. Now each gap has 5 minutes considered. No? So this is 5 and this is 5, 10 minutes. So that means it is 10 hour and 10 minutes. Isn't it? So let's see 10, 10. Where is 10, 10? It is over here. Option A is the correct answer. 25. What will be the correct time if the clock is 10 minutes ahead? 10 minutes ahead. That means it is right now at 2 and it is 10 minutes ahead. If we go back 10 minutes, it will be on 12. This minute hand will be on 12 and this hour hand is at 10. So hour hand is 10 and minute hand is at 12. So it is 10 o'clock, isn't it? So let's see. First option is 10:10, second is 9:10, third is 10, and D is 10:05. So our correct answer is C. Next, if you have one 10 rupee note and five 1 rupee coins, what is the total amount? Now, one 10 rupee note and five 1 rupee coins. So this is 10 and this is 5. Now let's add it. It's 15. So we have rupees 15, that is option A. 27. You are given a 100 rupee note and buy items worth rupees 65. How much change should you receive? So this is, you have to subtract it because you have to find out what is remaining with you. So when we minus it, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, and this cancelled. So 35 rupees is the answer. Option B. 28th question. A book costs 40 rupees and you have two 20 rupees note. Do you have enough money to buy it? Let's see. Two 20 rupee notes means how much rupees in total we have? 2 into 20 is equals to 40. So we require 40 rupees to buy the book and it costs rupees 40 only. So yes, we can buy it because we have 40 rupees to buy that book. So correct answer is yes. 29th. A ball costs 18 rupees and you have two 10 rupee coins. How much change will you get back? Now we have two 10 rupee coin means we have in total 20 rupees. And ball costs 18 rupees. So we'll subtract 18 from this and we'll find how much rupee we will get back. So 20 minus 18 is 2. So we'll get 2 rupees back. So this is option B, the correct one. 30th. How much money is shown in this figure? So let's see. This is 50 means 50 rupees. This is 10 means 10 rupee. And this is 100 means 100 rupee. Okay, so we have to add all three. So this is 0, 5 plus 1, 6, and this is 1. So we have 160 rupees in total. And options are 120, 170, 160, and 150. So option C is the correct answer. 31st. A cube has how many faces? So cube has actually 6 faces. So option B is the correct answer. 32. Which of these is not a 2D shape? So among this four, oval, sphere, rectangle, and circle, sphere is not a 2D shape because sphere does not have its no vertices and it doesn't have any edges and it has a curved surface all around and therefore it has no volume also, and so option B is the correct answer. 33rd. If a rectangle has length of 5 units and a width of 3 units, what is its perimeter? Now, perimeter of rectangle. The formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, means width. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So here we have 2 into length is 5 and width is 3. So that means 2 into 5. 5 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 eights are 16. So the perimeter of rectangle is 16 units. And hence the answer is option C. 34th. What shape can roll and slide? Which shape can roll and slide? So cylinder can roll and slide because it is in cylindrical form, it can roll along. See, this is cylinder, so it can roll on. Option A. 35th. Which of these shapes has all sides equal and all angles 90 degree? So we know that square has all sides equal. These all sides are equal and also it has all the angles equal to 90 degree. Therefore, square option A is the correct one. 36th. What number is 2 less than 15 and 3 more than 10? So what we have to do is, what number is 2 less than 15? So we have to minus 2 from 15, that is 13, and 3 more than 10. So another equation is 3 more than 10, so 13. So the correct answer is option D, 13. 37. How many sides does a hexagon have? Now hexagon looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is the correct answer, option B. How many legs do 3 spiders have? Now, how many legs do 3 spiders have? So basically, spiders have 8 legs. This is the thing to remember, that spiders have 8 legs. Okay. Now, we have one spider has 8 legs. So 3 spiders, how much legs it will be? 3 into 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So correct answer is B, 24. Okay. 39th. What comes next in the pattern? Next in the pattern we have to see. So it's 2 skipped 3 and 4. 5 skipped 6 and 7. 8 skipped 9 and 10. 11, so we have to skip 12 and 13. So what will be the answer? 14. See where it is? Option A 13, then 14, then 15, and then 16. So option B is the correct answer. Next, last question. Complete the series. Let's see what the series is. 40th question, complete the series. Now this is triangle, this is triangle, this is circle. Okay, this 3, triangle, triangle, circle. Now this is triangle, this is dash, and this is circle. So what will come over here? We have seen that in this triangle is over here. So here it will be triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle. So we have option A as the correct answer, triangle. Here it ends question 40 and this is the end of sample paper. Thank you for watching it. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.